Come on, Nasir.
Not my problem.
Come on. I was trying to get my son. Actually.
Yo, I sucked it so hard. Look how hard I sucked it.
All right, this is the journey, the Father's Day journey.
Look at these. Dad.
It's hopscotch. We're walking down the strip.
We're walking to dinner, guys.
Yeah.
This is different. Come on, we're walking to dinner, Nasir. Slow down, you rambunctious Montana.
Come on, Slowpoke. All right. It's gonna be my Father's Day memory. Man, he yellow loud. I don't know. Checking somebody on the phone.
Hold me, Nasir. Hold me. Hold my hand.
We're gonna get his ass on tape. I'm here, get off the street. A little bit.
Come on.
Oh man. Being in love. Man, I don't know if that's love. I don't know what that is. He said, yes, he was. Bitch, you always wrong. Oh, I got that on tape. Alright, here, get Serena. This is our 8th Father's Day together.
You hecka funny, black.
Shit, kids older than
Hey!
us.
Stop. Just stop right there. Alright, come on.
Found me a lighter. Alright. I'm about to end this movie. That's 2008. So get it straight. Nasir. Come here.
Whoa.
Do the interview.
Yo, my name is. Yo, my name.
Hold my hand. You coming up to the corner. Nasir.
Alright, we're gonna
Hold
end the
my
movie.
hand, Nasir.